literally love me. So a lot of you, or I feel like maybe a decent amount of you might be like, dang, how are you recording? Well, to be fair, I did not record the day of it happening because I was a mess the moment I found Nova. So when I got home, I saw Pastel was sleeping on the little hammock bridge that we have for them. And then I couldn't see Nova. So I was panicking already. And then I see under the newspaper where we have, like, on the bottom of the cage so that they don't make that much of a mess, I saw her body twisted. Oh my god, that's like so sad. I saw her body twisted and then I had to pick her up. And her face wasn't there. So graphic. It was, yeah, her face really wasn't there. And then we had to look back on the camera footage that we have. And it makes me so sad because I literally thought I had more time with her. She turned 3 years old this May. And I actually did not go to work today because I could not this is like Nova was my pet. No matter what anybody else thinks or to say and have their own opinion that a bird is a bird. No, I trained this bird. It wasn't just a bird I just left to just, watch because it looked like she looked pretty. I trained her. We had a bond. She literally loved me. I loved her. And yeah, so I'm doing better now that I give myself time to process. But when I first found her, and I was not doing okay. Also, I think what really helped me was me and my boyfriend, we buried her. So I buried her with one of her favorite toys. It was the hammock when I first got her, and I decorated her box. So that really helped also with me coping. But yeah, I honestly really didn't want to get another bird, but I feel the need that I need to, because I can't just let my other bird get depressed. Like, he's a very chirpy, happy bird. He was with Nova for the 3 years. He also turns 30 this year, and he needs a companion. So that's what we are going to do right now. I'm gonna go get him a little friend. I just wanted to clarify a little bit more, just because I feel like I'm not gonna be so well with like clarifying why I'm getting this other bird if your bird just died. Well, yes, but because I'm not feeling happy and not wanting to get another bird doesn't mean that I have to make my bird get depressed because of how I'm feeling. So that's what we are doing. I decorated the bird cage very cute and loving and lovable for our new bird. But before we put the new bird inside with Pastel, he or she will be quarantining. I want the new bird to be staying inside the room in the meantime with me, just so he can kind of get used to me also. I also did that with Pastel. The good thing is me and Pastel have a really cute bond as well, so I'm pretty sure as soon as the new bird sees that Pastel is okay with going on my finger and eating from my hand, he will feel okay. That after all, that's what happened with Nova. Like, and Pastel, when I first got Pastel, he was really shy with me, and then he would see that Nova would go on my hand, would eat from my hands, and then he started to open up. So yeah, with all that being said, I hope you guys are having a better day than I am. Hope you all had a good weekend. If you guys ever suffered through a loss, like a loss of a pet, I'm so sorry. It hurts. And I hope you guys are feeling okay and are much better now as the time passes from your pet passing. Sure. Hi. Okay, this is all the bird stuff. Oh, how cute. Wait, look at the yellow one there. That yellow green one right there.
Alright, that one.
Yeah, that one's so cute. Oh, look at that blue one. Oh, look at this green one right here. Oh, that white one. Oh, he's closing his eyes at me. That blue one right there.
Like that one right there, look.
Oh, that little green one is so... Okay, guys, so we just came out the pet store and I got a little friend for Pastel. This is the little gremlin. Isn't she so cute? You know, this could most likely be a boy, but if so, he's very tiny and too much of a baby. He has a very unique feather pattern. Literally has yellow but green and blue, if you guys can tell. He looks scared, but he's actually was really the most hyperest one in like the little bird group, so that we decided to choose him because he was really hyper. And also look at these clean feet. Hello. Okay, clean feet montage. Oh, it's okay. He'll get used to the camera, but I know Pastel is gonna have a lot of fun with him.